it's Robyn Thompson, the Queen of Rehab, and I'm coming to you from Branson, Missouri, actually, not from Ocala, Florida. Just finished up a 6-bedroom, 6-bath, brand new vacation rental in Branson, and I'm headed to you next at AtlantaREIA.com. I'm going to be there on July the 8th at 5 o'clock at night. It's going to start the meeting at the City of Lights building. My job with you guys on Monday night is to cover 4 things about the renovation business. First of all, I want to teach you how to find high profit deals in this crazy busy real estate market that we've got. I got some great marketing tips for all of you so you can find better deals. The next thing I want to do is cover how to find deals and do deals when you have little or no money at all. That's how I started 20 years ago broke. So I want to make sure you beginners understand how to get this business moving. And then I want to go over contractors, how to build a team, mature grown-up adults, how to build the right team so that they can get the job done on budget, on price, and quickly so you can maximize your profits. And then the last thing we'll cover at the end of the night is how to make sure you get a house sell really quickly, how to make it drop dead gorgeous so you can cash out and collect a big check. And that's one of the reasons I've done over 400 rehabs, is because it does produce large checks. And what I want to make sure everybody knows, I'm going to give away about $2,000 worth of training materials at the nightly meeting, and I've got a free CD called The 21 Deadliest Mistakes for everybody coming out. So there's lots of prizes and giveaways. So we'll see you again at AtlantaREIA.com on July the 8th.